Welcome to this Excel beginner tutorial. In this video, we will cover the essential foundation skills you need to start working confidently in Microsoft Excel. Whether you're completely new or just refreshing your knowledge, this guide is for you. Click the Windows button. Type Excel. The application appears here. Click on it. Excel launches. You can see Home, New, and Open. Here, you will find blank workbook and a gallery of templates from which you can choose if you don't want to start from scratch. Here is recent, which displays files you recently worked on, and favorites, which saves files which you frequently access. To add a file to favorites, hover over it to reveal the star and click on it. For this tutorial, we will use blank workbook. Here is a new workbook. Its default name is Book 1. You can save it with your own name which you want. Click File, then Save As. You can save it on the cloud so that you can access it anytime from anywhere for as long as you are connected to the internet, or you can save it to this PC. For now, let's save it to this PC. Click Browse. Type the name of the file. Maintain Save As type as Excel Workbook. Scroll to find the place where you want to save your file. For example, desktop or documents. For now, let's save the file to desktop. Click Save. You can see the file name is now displayed here as MS Excel Beginner Level Tutorial. Excel has a work area composed of rows and columns. Each row is labeled using a number such as 1, 2, 3, and so on, while each column is labeled using a letter such as A, B, C, and so on. A point where a column intersects a row is called a cell. When the workbook launches, it contains only one sheet named Sheet 1, but it can contain multiple worksheets. You can add more sheets by clicking this plus. Now, you have Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3, and you can even add more. It's time to rename the sheets. Right-click the sheet. Rename is here. There are other operations which you can perform, like delete, move, change tab color, etc. Type the new name of the sheet and press Enter on the keyboard. To enter data, click on the cell where you want to enter the data and type it. Some text may be longer than the column width. Bring your pointer to this line which separates the column labels. When it changes shape, double-click. It will automatically adjust the column width so that it fits that long data. To insert a new column, right-click in the column letter and click Insert. To insert a row, right-click in the row number and click Insert. A new column is inserted to the left of the highlighted column, while the new row is inserted above the highlighted row. To edit an entry, double-click on it, or click on the cell, then change the value in the formula bar. Press Enter. Formatting makes your spreadsheet easier to read. You can change the font, size, and color of the data. Borders and fill colors highlight important information. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Number formatting is also very important. For example, you can display values as currency, such as rupees, percentages, dates, etc. Combine cells by highlighting them. click Home followed by Merge. Formulas allow Excel to perform calculations. Every formula starts with an equal sign. And in the formula, you use cell references, e.g. C2, instead of the values like 10,000. You can multiply using asterisk, e.g. equals C2 times D2. Subtract with a minus, e.g. equals G2 minus E2. Add using a plus and divide using a forward slash. After you've done the calculation, come to the bottom right corner here. Press and hold the left button of the mouse and move it down to paste the formula. Watch until the end where I will show you how to insert charts in Excel. Excel also comes with built-in functions. For example, equals sum adds numbers. Equals average calculates the mean value. Equals mean and equals max finds the smallest and largest numbers. With large data sets, sorting and filtering are essential. Sorting arranges data in order like A to Z or highest to lowest. Charts turn your data into visuals. Select your data, highlight one column, press and hold the Control key, and then highlight the other. That's how we select data. Then use the Insert tab to choose the chart type. Column and bar graphs are great for comparisons. Pie charts show proportion, and line charts highlight trends over time. You must make sure to add titles, labels, and legends for clarity. When you scroll up, even your column headings disappear. To make navigation easier, use freeze pens to keep your headers visible while scrolling. To freeze pens, click View. Then Freeze Pens. Click Freeze Top Row. Now the rest of the data moves up while the header row is fixed. The Find and Replace feature helps you quickly locate and update data. You've just learned the core foundation skills in Excel, from navigating the interface to creating charts and printing your sheets. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Subscribe for more Excel tutorials like this one, and check out the next video where we dive into intermediate skills. Thanks for watching and happy learning.